The leaf. Leaves are present on the stem and the branches. A leaf arises from the node of a stem. Leaf has a flattened structure and is green in color. The color of a leaf is green because of a pigment called chlorophyll. The flattened structure of a leaf helps to absorb more sunlight. To exchange gases from the atmosphere, leaves have got minute pores on the surface. These pores are called stomata. With the help of chlorophyll, water, and carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, green leaves prepare food for the plant body in presence of sunlight. This process of preparing food is called photosynthesis. In the process of photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and give out oxygen. Animals make use of this oxygen in respiration and give out carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide is again used by plants in photosynthesis. That is why we say that plants purify air. Let us perform some activities to understand the process of photosynthesis. Activity 1. Test for the presence of starch in leaves. The food formed in the process of photosynthesis is a simple carbohydrate which changes into starch, a storage form of carbohydrates. Pluck a leaf from a plant. Boil this leaf in water. And then in alcohol over a water bath. This will remove the chlorophyll pigment from the leaf. Put some iodine solution over the leaf. The leaf becomes blue-black in color. This shows the presence of starch formed in the process of photosynthesis. Activity 2. Sunlight is essential for photosynthesis. Take a potted plant and keep it in the dark for 1 day. Cover one of its leaves with a strip of black paper on both the sides. Now keep this plant in sunlight for a few hours. After that, pluck the leaf that was covered with black paper. Boil this leaf in water and then in alcohol over a water bath to remove chlorophyll. Now put iodine solution over the leaf. Observe that the covered portion of the leaf remains pale yellow in color, while the uncovered portion turns blue-black in color due to the presence of starch. This shows that sunlight is essential for photosynthesis. Activity 3. Chlorophyll is essential for photosynthesis. Pluck a leaf from a croton plant that has been in sunlight. The leaves of a croton plant have green and non-green areas. Boil this leaf in water and then in alcohol over a water bath to remove its chlorophyll. Put iodine solution over the leaf. The green portion of the leaf turns blue-black. The non-green portion remained pale yellow in color. This shows chlorophyll is essential for photosynthesis. Activity 4. Oxygen is given out in the process of photosynthesis. Take a hydrilla plant and keep it in a beaker half filled with water. Keep an inverted funnel over the plant so that it remains totally within the funnel. Put a test tube filled with water inverted over the funnel as shown. Keep this setup in sunlight for some time. See the bubbles arising from the plant. Remove the test tube after some time by closing its mouth with your thumb. Bring a burning matchstick near the mouth of test tube. The matchstick starts burning brighter, which shows that the gas in test tube is oxygen. Another function of a leaf is transpiration. Leaves release the excess of water as water vapor into the atmosphere. This process is called transpiration. The process of transpiration takes place through stomata. The process of transpiration can be explained by performing an activity. Tie a small transparent polythene bag around a few leaves of a potted plant. Observe the bag after 1 hour. You will find small drops of water in the bag. These water drops are lost by the leaves during the process of transpiration.